I am braving the elements, mostly because the snow is still completely untouched. Very wet, as you can see, but I mean, that's Seattle. So this is about probably 2 inches right now. And it's supposed to snow till 5 for sure. 5 p.m. So that's another like 8 hours of snow that we're expecting, which should make for more than those puny little inches. Yeah, anyway, this is our snow. Sweet. Sweet, sweet. Our neighbor has kitties and they're gonna wake up soon, and then all hell's gonna break loose, and I'm sure they're gonna, you know, put salt on the walkways and stuff. So I got out before they did. Thank you, Logan. Yeah. This is the Seattle snowstorm 2012. It'll probably get better as it goes on. But yes, I did just catch the very beginning. Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna waddle back now. Ooh, my steps. And actually I was supposed to take some pictures. I'm gonna do that.